Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crochet Pattern. I hope you all are doing well, enjoying the life and watching my all videos. As you know that my videos are full of pattern and ideas about the crochet. So here today I have once again amazing video, amazing collection of these flower roundups, flower decoration you can make by yourself for your house. These flower circles, or you can say flower wreaths, are really amazing. All the designs and patterns are really amazing. You can just decorate your door or your walls with these kind of amazing decorations. These all are really amazing patterns and amazing designs in different shapes like heart and rounds. All the 3D flowers are included in the designs, and the color combinations are really great, and the patterns, you will definitely love all the design. Please watch the full video. You will definitely get ideas to make amazing decorations for your doors and walls. And like Easter is here, so you can just make decoration for this, or on Christmas you can make these roundups or circles for your doors. On the new year, you all just decorate your house and the door. So these kind of decoration will definitely give you amazing ideas, and you will definitely love all the designs which are included in this video, as they have amazing flowers and birds made with the crochet. As you can see, all the designs are really amazing. You can make anything with the crochet. In crochet art, there is no limit of making things. You can make anything you want, anything you like. So I hope you will love all the designs. As you know that I bring these ideas to give you full picture of things which are in nowadays, and um, to give you idea about the fashion. So I hope you're liking all the designs which I share with you. If you're liking the designs and videos, please share these videos with your friends so that they can also use these amazing ideas for their self, for their house, for the decoration. And guys, if you're new on the channel, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I post amazing videos with full of amazing collections and patterns, you could just get the notification and you can enjoy the. Hope you all are liking all the designs which I shared on daily basis. And please, if you want to make something special with the crochet, just go to my channel. You will find so many ideas of decoration, lifestyle, home decor and clothing. All the ideas are really amazing, and you will definitely love the designs and patterns which are included in the videos. And I'll be making more videos on the channel. Please give me your feedback, and let me know you liking the designs or not, you're enjoying the videos, so that I can know what kind of things you are liking and what kind of things you want to watch more. So, and just stick to my channel. On my channel you will find more videos in upcoming time, and you will definitely love all the designs. And guys, if you're liking these designs, please share the videos and like the videos also. As you know that these designs can just enhance the beauty of your house, your walls and the doors. All the designs are fully patterned with so many flowers and birds and the character on them. They all are really amazing with beautiful color combination. I hope you're liking the design, you're enjoying the video, and you'll be watching more videos on my channel. Just stick to the channel and wait for upcoming videos. You will definitely love the work. You will enjoy the collections which are on the way. And thanks for watching all the videos. Thanks for giving amazing response to my videos. Keep on liking and keep on sharing all the videos which I share with you. And guys, thanks for giving your amazing valuable time to my videos, and thanks for watching this video also. I hope you enjoyed the video, you liked the designs which are included in this video. Thanks a lot and take care.